Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm so excited. I want to give a special shout out to Biossance for sending over this sunshine set. Okay, so this set here was created in partnership with actress Reese Witherspoon. And what she basically wants to do with this product here is to add sunshine to your routine and your everyday. Okay, so let's go ahead and get inside and stay tuned. There is a coupon code for you guys to use so that you can get a discount on this gift set or the individual products. So this is what the product looks like here, and let's open it up. This is nice. This is something that you can keep for a while. Oh, and it comes with a bag. Okay, so it has a little bag here, a little satchel. Oh my goodness, it comes wrapped so nicely. So the first item here is the Biossance with Rose. This is a vegan lip balm. When you put it on, it is really soft. Gorgeous. So yeah, it is really soft. Oh, and it tastes good. Probably shouldn't be tasting it, but it tastes good. So the next item that I have here, of course, is the Biossance with Rose. And this one is the Sheer Mineral Sunscreen, all right? Sunscreen is very important for those of you all that are in hot climate like me. It is so hot, okay? And this really helps to protect your skin. And this one has an SPF of 30 UVA, UVB. And this is what it looks like. Now, I'll be honest, one of the biggest issues that me as an African American have when it comes to sunscreens is how well it actually rubs into the skin, because sometimes if I use certain products, it will leave my skin looking blue or like an ashy look. So I'm gonna do a little test, okay? Okay, this is what, first of all, I don't know what they put in here, but it literally is just as soft as the lip balm. And let me get you guys a close up. You can see that it's rubbing in to my skin really easy. Oh, it's soft. It is soft. I love it. Oh, and it freaking disappears. It disappears quickly. All right, I'm already sold. But I have one more product, okay? So the last one here is the Vitamin C Rose Oil. First of all, how cute is that? That is so cute. So this is the rose oil, and it is a facial oil to visibly brighten and firm your skin. I love it. Like, all of it has like a very lightly scented rose smell. I mean, of course it is rose, but let's go ahead and put some of this on the skin and see how it rubs into it. Again, another product that is very, very, very soft to the touch. So there you have it. All of the products here from Biossance and Reese Witherspoon. So if you guys are interested, I do have a coupon code. It is Sunshine25. That's 25% off of the gift set. Or you can get 25% off of an individual product. Let's say you just want to get the lip gloss. Then go ahead and get that lip gloss and get that 25% off. So again, special thank you to Biossance for sending these products for me to unbox and show you guys what is out there. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next unboxing. Bye.